Hey, hi Shahid.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, I can see a very exciting range of product here, and certain thing I would like to know from Srinivas you that see my background is application engineering, and
That's
I know
correct.
that you are part of PLM and development. So I have very few relevant questions which is linked to my application requirement in the field. How are you going to solve problem with my network managers and IT team which manages day-to-day add smooth changes? Do you have something, because that's a data center is a complex network where a lot of connectivity happens and people face a lot of challenges in doing add smooth changes. How are you going to solve that problem?
Okay. Now, conventional method what we have is a labeling.
Yeah.
Now, on the day one, whenever we install any of the network, we would have done a fantastic job. The integrator would be doing everything, labeling everything properly,
True.
and he would hand over the entire network to the customer to manage.
Yeah.
But over a period of time, when you do it into an add moves and changes, the connecting activity takes a priority, whereas labeling it gets deprioritized, and most of the time people forget relabeling.
True.
Now this ends into a situation where you have hundreds of ports connected, but you are not very clear which port is connected to where within the rack itself. Now, to solve this problem, we have used the recent technology of LED, and we have incorporated that to the patch cord. So Shahid, for that we have come out with another unique solution of an LED enabled the patch cords.
LED enabled.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can see here. I'll just press a button, and then my other side of the patch cord will start glowing.
Yes, I can see that. Very nice.
And this is the interesting part of this does not require any software, any management or anything. It's simple, an LED which has been built inside the patch cord, and now with a click of a button, you are able to find the other end of the patch cord.
Very good.
Let the other end be any part of your rack. You just press one button, and these buttons are provided on both the sides. So press on one side, the other side will start.
I don't need to see the document. What
You
is
don't
patch?
need to go back
I don't
to
need to see
any
the label,
software,
Ferrule,
document,
nothing, right?
Ferrule or anything. Just
Very
press a button and you are able to know. It's a pre-fabricated patch cord with an LED functionality built in, and this has got a 500 hours of LED life
Operation time. Okay.
and you can use it for a long time, and it has got a small battery inside, and it can be easily replaced, and then it has got I can say an indefinite life till you are able to use the patch cord.
I'm really happy to say this because this solves a lot of bigger problem in the field, because many times IT managers or technician or engineers struggle to manage the port connectivity and they take a lot of time, and the critical downtime is they absolutely not people are accepting, right? And it's not possible to have any downtime in data center, right? This is very good. And can I really trace my KSJs, which is keystone jack? Let's say I have number of racks, and many times we have a top of rack the solution or end of the rack solution, but they're far away from the one position to another. So how can I trace my keystone jacks from other end, or mapping that two sides?
This is a real good question, Shahid. So you will find a very interesting, innovative solution. We have again extended this LED technology to our keystone jacks as well.
Okay.
And then now these keystone jacks, whatever the keystone jacks you are able to see here, they are enabled with an LED. With the use of an basic LAN tester,
Okay.
now you are able to you just connect it to one side of your rack, one port of your rack, one side, and then start the continuity testing. Automatically the other panel which is connected, other port will start glowing.
It's blinking.
Yeah, it's blinking.
Very nice.
So that would help you trace the other port immediately. There is no requirement for you to go and check for any documentation, anything, or you use a tone
software.
tester or keep on testing. All those things are not required. Just put a LAN tester, go to the other rack, and then you will start that port will the connected other end port will start glowing.
It solves a lot of planning challenges
yes.
while you're putting zone upgrades or adding new servers in the zones, no?
Definitely,
amazing.
that's going to solve different types of traceability issues. You don't require very big software or huge investment or anything. Just by deploying these simple, innovative solutions, now you are able to solve the problems that faced by the technicians in the field.
Excellent. Okay.
That's how it is. It does not require any special software, any special monitoring, but you can easily manage the connectivity in the field.
And what about the category connecting from the backside? Is it something unique about category 6A or something which transmit 10 gigabit? Or is it?
See, this solution is available in both category 6 as well as category 6A.
Oh, both. Okay.
So for both 1 gig and 10 gig applications. So this is an application independent functionality.
Yeah.
You can get a keystone jacks with category 6 and 6A version. as well as the patch cords.
What about shielded version? We have shielded also.
Shielded, see, in a shielded we don't have an LED functionality on the keystone jack. We are developing that,
Yeah.
but definitely on the patch cord you can get that functionality.
Sure.